Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to connect Wix to Mailchimp. In 2026, while Wix pushes its own email tool, Mailchimp remains the gold standard for advanced automation, and these steps relate perfectly to each other to get your data syncing in minutes. The most direct way to do this is through the Mailchimp for Wix integration. First, log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the integration section. Search for Wix and click Connect. You will be prompted to log into your Wix account and select the specific website you want to link. Once you agree to the permissions, the two platforms will be bridged, allowing Mailchimp to see your Wix contact list. The next connected step is the data mapping. Once the accounts are linked, you need to tell Mailchimp exactly what information to pull. You can choose to sync all contacts or just specific groups, like customers or newsletter subscribers. It is vital to map your Wix fields, like name and email, to the corresponding fields in your Mailchimp audience. This ensures that when someone signs up on your site, their info lands in the right place, without any messy formatting issues. The final step is the sync itself. After you've mapped your fields, click Sync Now, and Mailchimp will perform an initial import of your existing Wix contacts. Moving forward, this connection is automatic. Anytime a new visitor fills out a Wix form or makes a purchase, their data flows straight into Mailchimp. This allows you to trigger those high-converting welcome emails or abandoned cart sequences immediately without lifting a finger. That is literally it. If this guide helped you bridge the gap between your site and your email marketing, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to build a custom Mailchimp pop-up for your Wix site next, and I'll see you in the next video.